Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create this flowy zoom in and out transition in CapCut. So first, just add the photos or videos that you want. Then add keyframes at the start and also the end of each clip like this. Okay, after that, go to the first clip and zoom in on the second keyframe. Then on the next clip, zoom in on the first one. And just do it alternately for the rest of the clip. Okay, after that, just go to grab in between the keyframes and then select the flow to grabs. Okay, so I've already added the flowy grabs on each of the keyframes like this, and this is optional, but you can always skip this part. So go to overlay and then go to the stock video, add this white background as overlay, so make it as short as possible and put it in between of each clip. Okay, fit the size and just duplicate it for the rest of the clips. Okay, so that's it, and this will be the result. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the things. Bye.